Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to upcycle your scraps of ribbon into this beautiful centerpiece. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is take my Bowdabra bow wire, fold it in half, and cut it, and then just lay it into my Bowdabra. And I'm just going to tuck the ends underneath so they stay out of my way. Then I'm going to grab my first strip of ribbon, and I've cheated. I've already dovetailed all of these ribbons, so it just makes it easier and you don't have to watch me dovetail all of them. So I'm just going to kind of lay them into my Bowdabra and shape it as I go. And I have this piece. So these are literally scraps of ribbon that we had from the end of roll. And so easy, or they were cut, the wrong shape or length. So it's just so easy to just lay them all into my Bowdabra. Now I'm going to lay this in here, and then I have these lights that I do like to recycle and use over and over again in different projects. I'm just going to kind of take them here and bring them to both sides, and we're going to take the lights and kind of put them around, and bring the lights around here and bring some of them over here, and then we'll work them through our bow. But I just think the lights add a lot of cool essence to the bow. So I'm going to put this down here, and again I'm just laying these into my Bowdabra. I have another scrap of this ribbon, so I'm just kind of mixing and matching different ribbons that will give me a very elegant looking swag when I'm finished. So I'm just take that, or centerpiece. But I guess you could totally use this as a swag. And then I have this piece of grosgrain here, another piece of grosgrain. We're just going to lay that in there. And then I have this one last piece. I'm just going to take the right side of the ribbon, scrunch that in, come back around, take the right side of the ribbon, and scrunch all that in. And please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Bowdabra Today. And I have this really pretty pic that I'll just lay down in here. Or follow us on Facebook. So now I'm just going to scrunch everything down in my Bowdabra, and I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire, bring it up through the slip knot, put tight while it's still in my Bowdabra. Then I'm going to come out here, separate the ends, and you see I haven't even touched the bow because I just used the wire to make it easy on my hands. And just tie a knot. And then I can now finish shaping and bring my lights around however I feel like it. I'll take my pick and kind of bring that around so I can shape this here. It makes it really pretty. And just take my gold, bring that around, my blacks. You can see this, just lay a couple candles with this and you have an absolutely magnificent lighted centerpiece, which all of your guests will be very impressed with. So, and this could work really any time of the year if you're having an elegant event. And there you go. Isn't that beautiful? Thanks so much for watching our video, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.